With Canada Life, there are lots of ways you can make the most of your group savings plan. Start by setting a retirement goal. Find out how much you'll need to retire, then track your progress. You can always update your goal as your life changes. Next, contribute as much as you can, when you can, and take advantage of employer matching if it's available. You can also transfer money from your individual investments to your group savings plan, because it offers more competitive fees than individual savings plans. Even 1% can make a big difference. For example, over 25 years, $25,000 in your group savings plan saves over $14,000 more. As you progress, you can always increase your contributions through pre-authorized payments or online banking. You can also take advantage of services like Koho, a no-fee, prepaid, reloadable credit card and app that gives you real-time insights and control over your spending, with added contribution and top-up options. If something unexpected happens, our credit counseling partners can help too. And of course, you can reach out to our Canada Life member guides, who can assess your financial needs and help you make the most of your group savings plan. Visit mycanadalifeatwork.com to get started.